So here we're going to take a look at how effective the new NX Sketch tool is when working with imported data. So here I am in my NX session, and the first thing I'm going to do is to import my DXF file. So I select the file, we'll preview it, and then we'll bring it into our NX session. I'm not going to create a sketch, and then using Control A on the keyboard, I'm going to add all of the curves into my sketch. One important note to remember is that NX has automatically found relations for this added geometry, and these become apparent when I select the outer diameter to modify it. Notice they appear in the graphics window. I can dynamically drag the outer diameter, or I can be more specific and add a dimension. When we take a look at one of the ventilation holes, if I select the hole, it automatically finds all of the other similar sized diameters, and we can make a change to them all in one go. Similarly, with the central diameter, if I make a change, all of the relations are found and maintained. So what about if I want to make a change to one of the PCDs for the ventilation holes? Well, that's easy. I create an extra diameter, I change it to some reference geometry, and now NX has automatically found a point and curve relation, but also an offset relation between the PCD and the outer diameter. So my final task will be to change one of the internal profiles. So I'm going to delete the ones I don't want and just concentrate on the one that I want to modify. I'll use the new rotate drag option in the sketch tool to dynamically copy one of the curves from one of the other profiles that I can use in my new modified profile. I use standard NX sketch capabilities to add further curves. I'm just going to extend all of these lines and the arc so that it touches the outer diameter, and then I'm going to create fillets between these lines and the arc and the outer diameter. To finish the profile, I'm going to trim away the geometry I don't need. I'm going to make a change to the radius of this profile, and notice that when I activate the dimension, all of the relations that have been found are automatically shown. I didn't have to do anything. NX automatically found them, and as I drag it around, all of those relations are maintained. The final job will just be to pattern that new modified profile, and it's simply done. Again, if I make a change, notice again the relations are all found and maintained. So that's how easy it is to work with imported geometry in the new NX Sketch tool.